Yep. All right, here we go. We are looking at Jupiter through a Skywatcher 6-inch refractor and a point gray grasshopper camera. Soft. Hope you're enjoying this. This is Jupiter and the Great Red Spot live from Atlanta. It's 10:20 p.m. We're looking through a Skywatcher 6-inch Esprit telescope with a point gray grasshopper color camera. I'm currently using a 2.5x TeleVue PowerMate and recording the data with Astro IIDC on a 17-inch MacBook Pro. It's a beautiful night. The seeing is really, really steady, and we're trying to take some movie runs so I can stack it and get a couple of decent photos. In just a moment, I'll bring up the moons, and you can see 4 of Jupiter's moons are easily visible right now, and we'll get that going in just a second. So let me move it over a little bit, and the moons should be down in the bottom right of the screen. Let me turn the gamma up a little bit so you can see them. And there's one of them. 1, 2, 3. 3 Jupiter's moons right there. Let me see if I can get it all into the screen. There we go. Check that out, man. That is really cool. And the other moon is way up on the other side, over up there. right here. So we're going to take an image with these 3 moons on the right. Sissy Astronomy Live from Stephen Ramsden, the Charlie Bates Solar Astronomy Project Director in the U.S. and Global Director. Let's take that. That looks pretty cool. I don't know how to post a link to join the Hangout. I wish I did, but I can never remember doing that. I need my buddy Rob Black to tell me how to do this. Maybe I can invite somebody. I'm going to post a link on Facebook right now that you might be able to click and join the Hangout. So check out my Facebook profile page. There we go. So hopefully somebody will try to join the Hangout using the link on Facebook. There we go. Really cool, man. You can see the great red spot over there on the bottom left, and it's really rotated into view probably 3 times its diameter in the last 40 minutes or so. Jupiter really rotates fast. If you're having problems seeing it on the internet, let me turn the gamma up real high so you'll see it for a minute. Okay, so you see the moons over there to the right. Awesome, man. It's just really cool. Let me take another run like this, and then we'll zoom in some more. We're going to go over to the moon in just a moment because the moon is clearly visible now. And I can really get a kick-ass image of the moon through this telescope. I'll have to change cameras, though. Yeah, it's really cool. So we'll do one more run. Jupiter, of course, is the largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant just outside the orbit of the asteroid belt. 95 or so moons known so far, probably hundreds more, made out of hydrogen mostly, with some methane and some organic chemicals in the cloud structure. Great way to spend an evening. It's perfect out here. It's 72 degrees, 0 wind, transparency is almost perfect. The seeing conditions are excellent, especially for downtown Atlanta. And we are making it happen. All right, so if everybody will bear with me, I'm going to change over to the moon real quick. You will love it. Stand by. I'm running this setup on an Astrophysics AP1200 mount. Rock solid. Okay. So there's Jupiter and all 4 moons. We better look at this for a while because this is pretty awesome too. Let's see. Put it down there. Okay, turn down the brightness some. All right. That red is just indicating oversaturated pixels. Well, there we go. Let's turn up the gamma a little bit so we can see the moons. There's 4 moons. See if I can get the focus any better. That's pretty rock solid for downtown Atlanta. All right, let's do a imaging run here. And while that's recording, I'm going to go get the other camera for the moon. All right. All right, so everybody stand by a minute. Let me change out cameras, and we will be back in business. I'm going from a 0.3 megapixel Grasshopper Firewire Express over to a 6 megapixel Grasshopper Firewire Express, 18 times the resolution, much larger field of view. And that's so that we can go from the tiny, tiny little Jupiter over to the big, giant, half-degree wide moon and get the full moon's disk into view. Of course, I'm no Robert Reeves, but I'll try to put something good together for you. So it's going to switch screens here for a moment. Everybody be cool. There we go. That's me waving. You can't see me, of course. Here we go. Hey, what's up? Sissy astronomy, baby. It rules. Everybody hang tight. Open camera. Okay. All right. Start video. There's what Jupiter looks like in this bad boy. Pretty small. But in a minute, we're going to go to the moon, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. Let me share my screen. Sorry about that. Here we go. Okay. So let me change over to the moon real quick and get my astrophysics mount going here. Let's see. Objects, solar system. Nope, wait a minute. Objects, solar system, moon. Go to. Oops. Okay. Objects, solar system, moon. Go to. Let's see what it does. Should get pretty close to it. All right. Yeah. Everybody stand by. Just 1 second. Just be a moment. I'll have it in here. All right, everybody be cool. Hold on. All right, should be in here now. There we go. All right. No solar prominences on the moon. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Let's go. And there we go. Almost full. Not quite. All right. Let's get our focus going. Oh my goodness, look at that. Boy, that's beautiful. That, wow, what a beautiful image. Holy cow. Okay. That, ladies and gentlemen, is our waxing almost full moon. All right, let's get the orientation correct. There you go. Nope. More like that, I believe, is about right. Yeah, there you go. All right, man. There you go. That's pretty right on it. Look how steady that seeing is. It's rock solid out here tonight, which is extremely rare for Atlanta. There we go. All right, let's record some movies. Then we'll zoom in super tight. Okay. Hard to believe this is a video. It's so solid. It's so rock solid. Oh, there went a crow just flew by. That's my neighbor's dog barking at me. Did you guys see that crow or bat, whatever it was, just flew by? Spooky, man, spooky. This is a Grasshopper Firewire Express 6 megapixel camera. And we're taking 500 frames using Astro IIDC. Later I'll stack the best, probably 5% of these frames. They're so large you don't need many. 10 frames will be fine. And we'll get a super high-res 4K image of the moon. Of course, it's not real till it's on Facebook, so you can expect it to be there later. And notice we're almost at full moon. Just the little right limb there is not quite illuminated. We're probably looks like about 95% full moon right now. Absolutely spectacular image. All right, let me get another couple runs and we'll zoom in just a moment. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful image. Look how black that background is. Boy, this is a great camera, a great telescope. Again, this is the Skywatcher Esprit 6-inch triplet refractor. Fantastic scope. And we're coming to you live from downtown Atlanta, Georgia, where we're enjoying a perfect evening, 72 degrees, no wind, transparency excellent, seeing conditions excellent. We are really enjoying this. I put a link on Facebook, on my Facebook page, if somebody wants to join the Hangout. Just click the link and it'll take you over to Google. You can join in. I think. All right, what do you say we get this TeleVue 4X PowerMate out and see what it can do? Everybody stand by. All right. Let's see what this bad boy will do. Okay. There we go. All right. It's going to be some dust bunnies. That's just the way it is. Let's see. I'm going to make a flat frame. The software creates a flat frame on the fly. And that's what I just did. We'll use that to focus. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Look at that shit. I mean, look at that stuff. All right. Wow. All right. Let's do some zooming, some flying. Let's go fly over the moon, everybody. All right. Take you for a little trip around the moon. Oops. See what we got here. All right. Look at that bat. Man, that's awesome. Check it out. Let's get an image of that. See, the dogs like it too. We're looking at almost full moon, so the shadows are about non-existent. And you don't get a lot of contrast or resolution. Well, you get a lot of resolution, but you don't get a lot of contrast with a full moon. It's really best to look at first quarter or third quarter because you get the longest shadows. But this is still a really, really cool image. So we'll take some images of this and then we'll move on to something else, maybe Tycho or Copernicus. Boy, what an image. Wowza. The moon is just over the rooftop of my house right now, so you're getting some heat currents rising and a little bit of movement. But considering we're at F30 right now, I think we're doing pretty good with the seeing conditions. In fact, I can't remember it ever being this good here. We'll see if the flat frame's causing any problems. Yeah, I think I'll go without the flat frame for now. What's down here? Oh, looks like we've actually need to flip the moon, don't we? I think we're upside down. Let's see. Where's my lunar expert, Robert Reeves? He could tell us. Sea of Tranquility. There's a monster. Let's image this one. This is a pretty good critter. That's the big one. Let's see what that looks like. Is my focus good? Let me try the focus a little bit. I think we'll go with that. And let's take some images. Hope everybody's enjoying this live view of the moon from Atlanta, Georgia. This is Stephen Ramsden. I'm the director of the Charlie Bates Solar Astronomy Project. And the sun's down, so we're looking at the next best thing, reflected sunlight. You are seeing a reflection of nuclear fusion in the core of the sun right now, bouncing off a big old rock called the moon. Traveling 93 million miles through space from the sun to the moon's surface, bouncing back 235,000 miles to your eyeballs on the Earth, and being beamed globally through YouTube live hangouts at the speed of light, or close to it. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's go up to the Sea of Tranquility and take some pictures of the Apollo 11 landing site. I think. I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure that is the Sea of Tranquility. All right, I'm not in love with that. Let's look around and see what else is going on. Man, that's just beautiful. I tell you what, that's just something else right there. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful object. Look at that crater on the edge. That's really cool. Let's take an image of that since we're here. That's really cool. It's amazing to me that there's 2 viewers on the entire internet watching this, and I appreciate both of you. But I bet Real Housewives of Atlanta has about 10 million viewers right now. I don't want my flash. No. Okay. Let's see what we got here. All right, we done? All right. I might take another couple while we're here. I'll tell you one thing. That is a beautiful image right there. Yeah, let's take that image. That's pretty awesome. And then we'll wrap it up for the night. But I do appreciate everybody checking in. Hope you enjoyed seeing Jupiter and the moon. All right, call me crazy, but we're going to put my 2.5x power view inside my 4x power mate and see if we can get it to focus. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. That'll be about f60. Maybe. Maybe it'll focus. We'll see. Hey, how about that? Okay. All right, now you're looking at the moon at f60. Let's come over here and see what we can get. Obviously, it's not focused very well, but we're just playing. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Oops. Yeah, yeah, that's awesome. Let's take this image. This is a f7 scope with a 4x power mate and a 2x power mate stacked on top of each other. Incredible. Our image resolution in this camera is 2,736 pixels by 2,192 pixels. 16-bit imager. And look at that rock solid seeing. It's incredible. That's pretty amazing. see what else we can find. This is not the recommended setup for clarity, but for fun, you can't beat it. What else we got? Where's those three craters that are always together that I like so much? Hello. Wow. Wow. It's pretty cool, man. Oops. Hey, man, there's a bunch of cool stuff on the moon. Yep. Where's the good stuff? Come on, moon. Where's the good stuff? Don't hold back. What's that? Hey, that's pretty sweet. What is that? I'll take an image of that. Yeah, let's take that image. This is the moon at f/60 through a Skywatcher Esprit triplet. Point Grey Grasshopper 6 megapixel camera. TeleVue 4X PowerMate stacked with a TeleVue 2.5X PowerMate. Being recorded with Astro IIDC on a 17-inch MacBook Pro in the middle of downtown Atlanta. All right, looking good. What's that big old gash over there in the bottom right? Looks like somebody took a bite out of the moon. Let's go check that out. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it's pretty cool. Well, I do know what it is. It's a big rock. So the bright stuff is higher and the dark stuff is lower. All right. So there we go. This is Steven Ramsden coming to you live from Atlanta, GA. And glad you got to join me. We're going to pack it up now and say goodnight. I hope you enjoyed looking at the moon at F60 and Jupiter and other various beautiful objects in the night sky. Go get a telescope, man. Share it with your friends. Adios.